Let us now look at this question. If VAB is minus 6.8 volts and VB is 2 volts, find VA. Always draw a diagram. So I'm going to take this point, call it A. That point I'm going to call it as B. Okay, so at B the potential is 2 volts, so this is 2 volts. And when you're going from A to B, VAB is given. How much is VAB? Minus 6.8 volts. So we have been told all this information. From this we can directly find out what is VA. How? VAB is VA minus VB, no? VA minus VB. Now VB we know it is 2 volts. So I can just put that here, minus 2 volts. VA we don't know, that's what we need to find. VAB is minus 6.8, that is given. So just bring the 2 to this side. So we can write VA is minus 6.8 plus 2, minus 6.8 plus 2 or minus 4.8 volts. So VA is minus 4.8 volts. That was the question. The answer to that question is minus 4.8 volts. Okay, so this is minus 4.8 volts. Now let us think a little bit. VAB is negative. Is that okay? Yes. From minus 4.8, if you are going to 2, that means negative number to positive number. Potential has increased. But there is no such thing as potential rise. We talk about potential drop. So what is the potential rise if somebody had asked? Then we could have said 6.8. But actually we are asking what is the potential drop. Potential drop, well it did not drop, it rose. So if it had dropped, we would have given a positive value. Now because it actually rose, we are giving a negative value. So when you say potential drop is negative, what does it mean? The potential is actually increasing. So the potential drop is negative. So from minus 4.8, you have dropped by a negative number, which means you have risen by 6.8. So that number is going to be higher. So minus 4.8, that number is 2, higher, right? So potential drop is negative means the final potential is higher than the initial potential.